How to turn off Opera GX startup sound. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can turn off startup sound on Opera GX. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up Opera GX. After that, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. From there you have to click on settings icon. Once you land on settings tab, you have to scroll down. Keep on scrolling until you find an option that says splash screen on startup. If this is toggled on, Opera GX will make a sound during the startup. But if you want to turn it off, make sure to toggle off this option right here that says splash screen on startup. After you have toggled it off, you have basically turned off the startup sound on Opera GX, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.